In this video, I'll show you how to remove hidden apps on your iPhone. The first step, let's remove the Lift app. Let's hide the app. Long press it, click on Require Face ID, hide and require Face ID, show your Face ID, click on Hide app. Now the app is hidden. Now we need to remove the apps from hidden section. To find the hidden app, go right and here you will find the app library. At the bottom, there is a section called Hidden. Just tap on this, show your Face ID. Now this will display the hidden apps. Now to remove the apps from hidden section, just long press on it. Click on Don't Require Face ID. Show your Face ID. Now the app is removed from the hidden section. So this is how you remove hidden apps on your iPhone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.